Hello guys, this is Remedy. So I'm here again with Bitcoin investment website script, a complete source code, Laravel PHP. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this site. So you're looking at a very powerful Bitcoin investment website script that offers much more than just Bitcoin investment. This is a very comprehensive Bitcoin investment script. It's built with Laravel, providing a very robust and scalable solution for launching of your own website. So the features of this Bitcoin investment website include Bitcoin investment, Forex trading, stock trading, signal, copy trading, NFT, loan management, multi-level referral system, admin panel. So this system is very, very powerful and robust. So this is a Bitcoin investment website. Whether you're looking for a Bitcoin investment website script, PHP, a Bitcoin investment script with Laravel, Bitcoin investment scripts, download anything Bitcoin Hype script. So this is a very, very robust Bitcoin investment website script you can use for both trading forex, trading NFT, trading stocks. It has stocks. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this website. Look at the front end, a very robust investment system you have here. All right, so I'm going to look at it and show you how you can install it. I still show you how you can install it. So let's get started. So you can create an account. That's if you don't have an account already, you can create an account. So we have capture that we disable that will not allow boot to get rid of your system. So um I already have an account. So let me log into the account and show you all you need to know about this Bitcoin investment website. A very complete source code with Laravel PHP. So I have an account. So let me log into the account and show you. All right. So this is how you're looking at it. Okay. Are you seeing? You seeing how robust and scalable it looks like? All right. So now you can is this total profit? This is total trades. All right. Here now you can place a trade. Look at this. You can select either forex. It changes based on what you select. Select stock. It changes. So you can select stocks you want to trade. You can select delivery either 5S, 2S. You can either draw this. You can either draw this to select the delivery you want. You select the minute you want it to trade and put the amount you want to trade with. Let's say so the stop loss and the take profit. You can click on sell and yes, sell. So it will take you to this place. So you see it's reading. After 54 seconds, the trade will execute and you will either get a profit or a loss. Are you see what's there? So it's currently reading. Now, as it's reading, let me show you other features of the website. Let me show you other features of the website. All right, so now let's click on account. Um, we can allow it to finish reading, then can allow it to finish reading 15 seconds. Once it's finished reading, it will give you the profit 9 seconds. All right. Even though it doesn't give you, might refresh to come up, but it will provide you the profit 2 seconds. All right, it has expired. It should give you the profit. Let me refresh it and see whether it gives me the profit. It's taking much. I don't know whether it's my network. Okay, look at it. It's a loss. So I lost $174. So I invested 600. It's a loss. That trade is a loss. Okay, it's a loss trade. Let's go back. This trade is a loss. So you see, you can deposit. You see, you have a deposit here. You have your deposit. You can make deposits of either Bitcoin or anything you want. All right. Can all these things you can set it up from admin. You can request for a deposit method if the ones you are looking for is not there. So you can select the one you are looking for and the amount you want to deposit, and you request for it. Right, it has been submitted. Um, Withdrawal, you can make a withdrawal. Now, when you're making a withdrawal, you can make a withdrawal of bank transfer. You can select USDT. So suppose now I want to select Bitcoin. I want to use Bitcoin as method of withdrawal. Now it will ask you for amount. You put the amount you want. Okay, let's say I want to withdraw $600. So I'll put the amount. Now it will take me to this list and ask me to enter. It says important for successful withdrawal process, you need to enter the broker commission. So here now you need to enter the broker commission. So the user will contact you and ask you for this broker permission. So this is from admin. From admin, you can get this thing. Let me log into admin. This is the admin panel. All right, this is how the admin panel looks. Okay, so if you click on manage users, now that particular user, this we have only one user now. Click on manage the user, click on action. Here now you can log in, see the login activity, block the user, and a whole lot of things. So what I'm going to look at now is set withdrawal code. So this place now we have the broker one commission fee. This one, this code, this is the first code that is required. So you can change it anytime you want. So let's go back to that place and enter it and verify. All right, it was successful. So it's asking for the second code and it's 99% complete. So it's asking for the second code, which is um anti-theft security code. So we are going to add that code now. Look at it. The user will contact you either from support or live chat. All right. So you will now enter the code, verify. You see, withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. So it has been submitted. Once you log into admin now, you will now see the withdrawal, manage withdrawal. Look at that view. So you see, so you can either reject or pay. Once you click on pay, the user gets an email immediately. A very nice looking email. Okay, so it has been approved. So you can see trade. Here now, look at how the trade works. Now you can select from either Forex, crypto, or any of them. All right. Now the trading distance works by the way it works is this. From admin, you can set a trade to be a win or a loss. You can either set a trade to be either a win or a loss. So how do you do that? How do you set a trade to be a win or a loss? Now the trading distance is set to be a random number between 1 to 100. Now from admin, now let me show you what I mean now. Let me log into admin. Let me show you add admin. Now let me go to manage user. Now in manage user, you will see manage. Now click on action. Here now you can look at set win user win rate. Now user win rate is currently at 60. Now what this 60 means is that if the user makes 10 trades, he has chances of winning 6 of them and losing 4. So what it means is that the higher the win rate, the lower the um, losses. So if I set the win rate to, let's say, 90%, that means the user has a higher chances of making wins. Like out of 10 trades, he's going to win 9 and lose 1. That's what it means. Or out of 100 trades, he's going to make 90 and lose what? Only 10. So that's what it means. So the higher the win rate, the lower the what? The losses. That's how this system is built. All right. So now you understand that. So you can select trade from either of crypto um Forex, and any of them there. All right, we can select it from any of them. We also have copy experts. All right, you can start copying any expert of your choice. Start, yes, and you start copying the person. All right. We have subscribe to user, subscribe to plan. These are plans we have. You can subscribe to any of the plans here. We have NFTs. Yeah. Now these NFTs are very robust. Here now you can make biddings. Look at this. Like now, if I want to buy this NFT now, I can make bids. Like you can buy, you can, like now, if I don't want to buy it at this price now, maybe I want to buy it at, let's say, 0.4 Ethereum, I can bid, submit bid, yes, place bid. So if I submit bid now, admin will get notification that someone has placed a bid. So once you go to admin now, go to admin, manage NFTs, you will see these are NFTs. This is where you can edit, you can add NFT, but here now you're going to look at bids. That's what we are going to look at. Bid someone make. They say corrupt bought a someone bid, there's a bidder and he is bidding for 0.5. So it's left for me now to approve. If I approve, the person receives an email that the bid was successful and the money will be automatically removed from the person's account. Now, if the person does not have that particular amount for that NFT, the bidding will not work. All right. So this NFT now is now mine. Look at it. It's now mine. It's no longer for sale. All right. So if I go back to this place and go to my NFTs, let me go back. Let me go back to this place and click on my NFTs. Look at my NFTs. Look at them. These are all my NFTs. So I can place this one on sale if I want. All right. I can place it on sale. The same way, if I want to buy, you can also buy. So we have signals. Signals. Yeah. Before you can buy signals, before you can see signals, you must what? Subscribe to signal plans. So you click on signal plans, my signal plans, the signals. Look at that. All right. It's very robust. Good. So we can also manage loans. There's loan management, transaction history, and a whole lot of things. All right. So this is a very, very robust Bitcoin investment website script, trading script. You can use for trading Forex. You can use for stock trading, signal subscription and providing, and a lot of things you can do with it. Now in the admin, let me show you some features of the admin. You can let's start from the manage users. Manage user. Here now we can credit or debit a user, put amount, put the this same column whether you want it to be added to the account balance, put credit or debit. Debit means you want to subtract from it. Now you can set withdrawal limit, user win rate. You can increase it. You can say let it be, let's say you don't want a lot of wins, you can say let it be 20. So what it means that if the person makes like 10 trades, out of 10 is going to win 2, or out of 100 trades is going to win 20 and lose 8. So that's what this win rate means. All right, so let's set it. All right. So you can notify user dashboard. You can send notify user dashboard. You can send a notification to the user dashboard. You can set withdrawal code, clear history, a whole lot of features you can do there. Now let's click on manage plans. So you can add new plans. All right. Let's look at trades. You can look at client trades, trade that has been made by clients. Look at it. This is a loss. You can, like, if this trade has not been traded, you can edit it. You can trade it, like trade it on your own and put it to be a profit. All right. You can trade it and put it to be a profit on your own from admin. can manipulate the trade if you want. You can manipulate the trade. Click on trade, and if it has not been successful, you can manipulate it. All right, like this one that is pending now. Let me trade this. Let me trade this. Let me close this trade. Okay, it's been okay. That trade has been executed. Right. So here now we can look at signal plans. We can provide signals. Look at that. Can provide signals. These are the list of signals there. Signals. You can provide signal, create a new signal, put the signal name, entry price, take profit, stop loss, leverage, and a whole lot of things. Here is the place you create NFTs. So you can add new NFT, put the name of the NFT, description of the NFT, price in Ethereum, and category, and upload that stuff there. These are the bid system. These are all bought, all the NFTs that has been bought. That's them there. This one is you can edit NFT. You can edit NFT here. Okay. This one are manage loans. You can manage loans, right? You can manage loans. All the loans you can approve or reject. Let me approve this loan. I can reject this. Can approve this. That's been approved. All right. You can make settings for. Can look at the settings. All right. Let's see how to set it up. So I'm going to show you now how to set it up. I'm going to show you how to set this up. So this script is not free. All right. I'm going to show you how you can set it up. Once you need a script, you're going to contact me and I'm going to give you the script. The script, the price of the script, I'm going to tell you the price of the script is $35. All right. So you're going to get the script. I'm going to show you how you're going to install this investment website script, Bitcoin investment website script. All right. So what you're going to need, you're going to need a domain name. You're going to need a cPanel. You're going to need you're going to need just domain name and cPanel. So let's go ahead and let me show you. Now let me go to this is my domain. I've created the domain and the cPanel. So what I'm going to do now is like I'm going to host the script now. So once you have gotten the domain and the cPanel, you go to File Manager. Once you are logged into your cPanel, go to File Manager. Now, depending on where to want to host it. Now, I want to host it inside the main domain. So I'll go to public_HTML. So you are going to get the script from me and you are going to upload it here. So let's start by uploading the script now. So let's click on upload, select files. Now, you find where the script is when you get it from me. So currently, this is the script, Trade Pro and Traders Pro, Remedy Traders Pro. So you're going to get the script from me. So once it's uploading, you can for you to make the creation the development of this thing is very easy. So for you to host it is very easy. It will not take you more than 5 minutes to host it. Look at as it is uploading, you can go ahead and create your database. You create a database and import your SQL file. Okay. So let's go ahead and create a database. Now let's create a database. Let's call it DB. Let's call the database name DB. Let's call the username DB. And we can prompt, let's call it DB. We can prompt this to generate a password for us. So once it's generating a password for us, so we are going to, let me bring out a note file that we save that I will use to paste this code so that I don't forget them, because I will post them once that thing is done uploading. I'm going to paste them on my this thing on my files. I'm going to paste it on the .env file. All right. So I'm going to copy this, and I will use, and I will create user. So that's it for me. I'm going to copy add the name. The name is CodeDB. The username is also CodeDB, right? So I'm going to copy add the name. So I'm going to give all privileges. I'm going to give all privileges and click on next. So I can still paste the name in my notepad so that I don't forget them. So I have my password and I have my, paste it down here. All right, so the database has been created. So the next thing is for me to import the SQL file. But before then, let me see if this thing has finished uploading. It has finished uploading. So what you are going to do now is that we are going to come here and reload it. Then you're going to extract the files. You're going to extract the files. All right, so you're going to go to my after you have created the database, go to my PHP admin. Once you go to my PHP admin, you're going to click on code. That's the database you've created. Click on import and what? Import. Then you're going to come here, import the database. This is the database. Import it. Import. So as it's importing, all right, it has fully imported. This thing has fully imported. So we have also extracted. We have fully extracted this. Let's close. Let's turn on. Let's go to settings. Show hidden files. I'm going to show you something. Now, for security purpose, I've chosen not to add the .env file in the public underscore HTML. Why? Now, the .env file is the file that contains the very sensitive information, the database details. Now, recently, because of shared hosting has what they called um, storage link. You are using shared hosting, you are using a lot of people are sharing the same system. That's what shared hosting means. So somebody can use sim link from his own shared hosting, and he can point to yours and give your .env a permission 600 and 644, and from there can be able to copy your database details, log into your database because it's using the same system, log into your database, and then change your payment settings or make changes to your site. So for you to um, protect yourself from that kind of thing, most of the time they will just go to your site slash .env and they will just see the .env information. For you to save yourself from that kind of issue, what I did now is that I have constructed it in a way that the .env file, the skills should not be looking for the .env file here, but rather outside the public underscore HTML, outside it where nobody can be able to access. You see, in cPanel, everybody can access something inside this place, public underscore HTML, but outside there, nobody can access it. So that's why I've created the .env to be in a separate folder called remedy 3. So I'm going to upload the folder now. So you will come outside the public underscore HTML, click on upload, select file, then remedy 3, and you're going to upload it. So once we are done uploading it, let's reload. Once you are done uploading it, you scroll down and find it. Look at it, remedy 3, and you're going to extract. Extract here. You want it to be extract here. So the remedy 3 now contains the .env file. That's where the .env is. All right, look at it. Remedy 3. So here now, this is the .env. Still give it permission 600. So no one can be able to access anything outside the public underscore. That's why we're putting it outside it. All right, let's click on edit. All right, so we are going to add the database details now. So the database name is code underscore db. So I'm going to copy it. The username is also code underscore db. The password, look at this. This is the password. Let's copy it and paste it here. All right, so here now, make sure that this thing is false, please. Turn this to false. It should not be true. Turn it to false. And then save. Okay, so your site will be up now. Look at that. Your site will be up. It should be up. So you click on Coach Remedy. All right, it's loading. It's loading that. You have it. You can change languages here. You can look at that. Your site is up. So what you need to do now is to log into the admin and make the necessary changes. Admin, um, right. So we make the necessary changes. So I'll drop down into the dashboard. So let's make the necessary changes. We come to settings, scroll down to, let's say, settings, app settings. So we are going to put the name of your site here. We are going to clear that remedy thread, put the name of your site there, put the welcome message, put the keyword. Then here now you're going to add your site URL. Currently my site URL is this. I'm going to add it here. So let me copy my site URL. So I'll paste it here. So without any slash there, that's the name of my site. All right, so I'll copy that. I'll put it there. Same thing with the keyword, the description. So paste all those things there. Announcement and data about send emails and that. Here you put your phone number. You put the NFT gas fee for creating NFT. You can put the gas fee here. Now here it's asking you for installation type. If you are installing a subdomain, put subdomain. If it's a subfolder, put subfolder. Here you upload your logos here and click on save. All right. And click on save. It will be saved. Then you go to preference. Here now you can put your website contact email. Put your contact email here. .sbs. Scroll down. There are a whole lot of features here. You can decide to turn on announcement or do this thing. Now KYC is currently off. You can turn it on. You can put KYC on after on registration. That's once the person registers, you can do any KYC. But if you don't turn it on registration, it will be anytime the person wishes, maybe during withdrawal, he will do it. Email verification, you can either disable it or turn it on. Return capital and the rest of them. And you're going to put this and save. Then you come to email slash Google. So I will advise you to use SNTP. Use SNTP. So you're going to put your email here, put the name of your email, find the host. People using Hostinger is smthostinger.com. For normal hosts, many of the hosts is just like mail dot the domain name. Port is 465 as it is in here. Username SNTP username is the name of your SNTP. Then the password you save. You save. All right. Now the next thing you're going to do is to create payment method. click on settings here. You scroll down to payment settings. Here you can create a new payment. Solana, there are a whole lot of them. You can disable, delete the ones that are there. So let's say I want to edit Solana. So here I'm going to come here and I'll add my wallet address there. Add my wallet address. Okay. I can create a new one, add new one. A lot of this. Right, that's that. So the next I'm going to show you how to add your live chat. So in case you want to add your live chat, what you need to do is go into the script. Let's go out from this .env file. Let's go to the script itself. Let's go to the script. We go to the script resources, views. All right, you see layouts. Here now we're going to click on live chats.blade.php. Open it. Live chat.play.page. So you can this one is a WhatsApp number, WhatsApp code. Here you can just scroll down here and add your live chat code here. It will show. So you can add your live chat code here and you see it to show. All right. So that's what you need to know about these robust Bitcoin investment websites built with PHP. All right. So you see the features, the features of the Bitcoin investment website script. You see Bitcoin investment, forex trading, stock trading, signal, and a whole lot of things. All right.